Hey guys, Pat this side. So I just received a call from Primen Apple Store as I have pre-booked iPhone 13 Pro Max on 17th itself, and today is 24th September, and they have called me that sir, your phone is ready, so come and pick it up. So I'm going to share delivery experience of iPhone 13 Pro Max at launch day. So I have pre-booked 512 GB 13 Pro Max in Sierra Blue color, which is the new color which they have released. So let's see how it goes. They are saying that my mobile is ready and come and pick it up. And as you can see there, it's 11:30 in the morning. So it's really early, and I'm really glad that they are able to provide the mobile right now. So let's hop into the car and go to the Apple Store and see how the experience is. And also guys, before going ahead, do like this video if you are enjoying it, and subscribe to the channel if you are new. So let's go. It has started to rain, and I have not taken an umbrella with me, so let's see how I'll manage. I hope I get a parking nearby the Apple Store itself. Apple Store is not far from my home. It must be just 500 meters or so. I could have walked to the Apple Store, but I wanted to just take the car. And as you can see, there is the Apple Store. Let me turn on the wiper, man. Thankfully, I've got parking right in front of the Apple Store, and you can see it. So it's the Primen store, and they have balloons and everything in the launch of iPhone 13. So today is the first day, as you know, and let's hop inside and take the delivery. So as you can see, I have the phone, and you can see the crowd here. So all these people have come to take their delivery, and I have this Pro Max. So Apple staff insisted me to open the box and activate the device in the store itself. So here it is. I'm unboxing in the store only, and as you can see, the beautiful blue color. So this color is in demand, guys. After me, one guy also came. He had also pre-booked this, but he couldn't get the blue color. The store guy told that only one Sierra Blue Pro Max came, and I got it because I was the first to pre-book the 13 Pro Max in this store. And also you will see in Apple's website also that the delivery date for blue color 13 Pro Max is showing in November. So you can see the demand, and there is nothing in the box except the phone, the cable, and some documentation. So let me quickly set it up, and then we'll head home and I'll show you it in detail. Now I'm returning home, and as you can see, all the stuff they have given me, the bouquet and Ferrero Rocher chocolate and cake also. And now let's head home, and then I'll do the unboxing and all the cases. I have also bought a Apple case, so, and one case is in the mail, so I'll show you that. So let's go. So here it is, guys. Now I'm home, and these are all the things which I have bought. So these two I had ordered from Amazon, and they have arrived today only. And these obviously I have bought from Apple Store. And this is the clear case, official Apple clear case. It's quite expensive at 5,000 rupees, but it's worth it in my opinion, because these last a long time and don't get yellow. And all the clear cases which I have used turn yellow over time because they are made from TPU. This is hard polycarbonate, so it won't turn yellow. Obviously this is the iPhone, and sorry for the audio if background noise is too much of the road, because I am not using any mic. I'm too excited to just do all that jazz and put up the mic and all that. So quickly let's get to the unboxing. Before that, I want to show you the things which Primen store guys have given me. So I would recommend their service a lot, because my experience was very good with them. So as you can see, firstly they have given me a box of chocolate, and also they have given some snacks. So here is a sandwich, here is a roll, here is a cupcake, and here's 5-star. So we have biscuits also. So that's all, because people were coming from far away places to pick up their phones, and they must be hungry, so these people took care of that also. And obviously the bouquet, you can see. So these are not, oh, these are real. So these are real flowers, so I'll put them in some water later on. So now guys, let's unbox the phone first. I have already done an unboxing because they said they have to activate the phone in the store itself, so they had to do it, but now I'm officially doing it myself. So here is the phone, as you can see. So this is the blue color, which is the new one and which is the in demand, and it has a very soft matte texture. It's not a shiny glass. So earlier I was using iPhone 12 and it had shiny glass, so every time I used to touch it, it used to get lot of fingerprints. So this time around they have given, also last year also they have given matte glass on the Pro series. So this is a Pro feature which Apple gives in their Pro phones, and which I like. It makes phone more premium. And guys, you must not realize on video, but the phone is really very heavy. And here it is, as you can see. And sorry for the shadow, I can't do anything. There's a lot of like sunlight coming in the room, and here it is. So this experience is something else only. Now let's boot it up, and you can see the shiny sides, stainless steel. The earlier iPhone 12 which I had in also blue color, it had matte aluminum side, so this shiny stainless steel looks more premium. And as you can see, the new notch, which is much reduced, and in the Pro Max model the notch looks even smaller because screen size is so big, so notch doesn't even bother me that much. In iPhone 12 it used to bother me, and I have been using iPhone since iPhone 10 when the notch first came, and I never got used to it. But now seeing that it's much smaller, I like it. And guys, it's 120 Hz, so I can instantly feel it. The smoothness is there. Obviously I use iPad Pro also, and I can see the smoothness. And you can see I have matched my watch band with my phone's color today, so they are pretty similar, light blue or pastel blue. I'm really liking this color, guys. In some scenarios like this it's looking gray, and otherwise in when the light hits it, it looks blue. So I quite like it. Now let's keep the phone aside and look at the covers which we get, or which I have bought. So let's start with the tempered glass, which is the most boring thing. This is the Spigen one. You get two. This is quite expensive. I bought it for 1500. So 1500 for two, so one is for 700 or something. But we have very little option as of now because phone has just launched. So as time progress, we will get many options. So these are the things which we get. These are the lens protector. I will apply it later. I'm just showing you. So these guys are giving the frame also, so that you can apply it perfectly. And I like this thing a lot because a person who doesn't have experience of applying screen protector can also apply it by using this frame. And obviously they give you screen protector or tempered glass, sorry. So here it is. So two screen guard, and I have bought screen guard which do not have cutout for notch. So some screen guards have with hair cutout for the notch, and it looks very cheap. So this is the full body tempered glass, not the one which have cutout on the top. So Spigen also offers two screen guard, one full body which is a little bit expensive, which is this, and the other one which has a notch cutout. It's a bit less expensive at 1000 rupees, but come on, if you are going to spend 1000, then buy this one only, which gives you a full body look. So it doesn't even, you'll not even know that there is a tempered glass on the phone. So this was the screen guard. And now let's open this Krill phone case. And as you can see, this Krill company is also a Spigen sub brand only, so it's owned by Spigen. And I bought this case on Amazon, as I told you, because it was looking very nice and the color, blue color, was matching with my iPhone's blue color, at least in the photos. So now let's see how it is in real life. Okay, so earlier in iPhone 12 Krill cases, these used to be made of silicone, but now they have made the back from polycarbonate and sides from TPU. So they have changed the material, because silicone one was getting a lot of lint and dust when you pull out from your pocket. And as you can see, it says home of new classy and quality protection. Now let's see how it looks on the phone itself. And on the phone, I would say it's very easy to install. And guys, do let me know how it's looking. In my opinion, it looks just fab, and the blue color of the camera bump here of the phone and the blue color of the case matches perfectly. So if you are going to buy the blue color, then you can check out this cover. This cover also comes in different shades also, so you can look for that only. But this looks very nice, and it's not very thick also, but phone itself is very thick this time and really heavy, because it's the Pro Max, and this time it's even heavier and even thicker than the 12 Pro Max, because they have increased the battery size a lot in this one, over 1000 mAh over the 12 Pro Max. So the thickness and weight is quite apparent. So that was the case, and guys, it's easy to remove also, so no issues there. Now let's look at the official Apple case. So there is a seal to open, okay, and it comes off easily now, and here you go. So this case cost a lot, guys, as I have told you. For a clear case which is just transparent, 5,000 rupees is a lot, but we don't have any good alternatives which don't turn yellow. And if you want to just show people that you have bought the new blue color, then this transparent case or any transparent case is a must. And in my humble opinion, this is the best option because it won't turn yellow. So it looks good, and this circle is for MagSafe charging. As you know, Apple has magnetic MagSafe charger which wirelessly charges the iPhone 13 series, and also it was introduced in 12 series. So I don't use MagSafe, but there's the option if you use it. And it's a hard case, very minimalist, and as soon as I put inside, you can see the look of it, and it looks just fab. If this ring was not there, you couldn't even tell that there's a case on. The fitting is so snug, and I love it. So that was it, guys. Take care, bye bye, and do comment down below what do you think about the video, and like and subscribe also. And yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.